Hello, Mia.
Hi, Ryan. How are you today?
I am very bored today, Mia. I feel a little sad.
Why are you bored, Ryan?
I did not do anything this weekend. I stayed at home.
Staying at home alone all weekend is not good. You need to see people.
Yes, but I did not know what to do.
You should hang out.
Hang out? What does that mean, Mia?
It means to spend time with friends and relax.
Ah, spend time with friends and relax. That is hang out.
Yes, you can hang out at a park or a cafe.
I see. I did not hang out with anyone this weekend.
What did you do at home all day?
I watched a very boring movie on television. I also tried to make some soup.
Did you make good soup?
No, it was terrible. It had too much salt. I could not eat it.
That is very sad, Ryan. You really need to go outside.
I also listened to some very loud music in my room.
Listening to music is nice, but hanging out with friends is much better.
You are right. That is a very nice phrase. Hang out. Let's make it our hero phrase today.
That is a great idea. Today, we will learn this hero phrase.
And we will also learn 5 other useful phrases.
Yes, they are meet up and free time. Also, how about, sounds good, and busy with.
Those are excellent phrases for daily life.
Yes, they are. They help you talk to friends and make plans.
I also have a very interesting surprise fact for you.
Oh, what is the surprise fact, Ryan?
I will tell you in our next block. You must wait.
Haha, you always do this. Okay, I will wait.
Let's start the show.
So, Ryan, tell me, did you hang out with anyone last week?
No, I did not, but I wanted to hang out with my friend Tom.
What happened? Did you see him?
Well, I wanted to hang out, but I was very busy with my work.
That is too bad. I have a funny story about trying to hang out.
Really? Tell me your story, Mia.
Last Saturday, I wanted to hang out with a new friend. Her name is Sarah.
Did you make a plan?
Yes, we decided to meet at a new cafe.
That sounds nice. Did you meet up there?
No, we did not. I forgot the name of the cafe.
Oh no, that is a big problem.
Yes, I went to the main street. I saw 3 different cafes.
Tell me about the cafes.
The first cafe was very big and noisy. I went inside. Sarah was not there.
What was the second cafe like?
The second cafe was very small. It had only 3 tables. I looked inside. Sarah was not there.
Did you feel worried?
Yes, I did. I had no telephone battery. I could not call her.
Oh, that is very hard.
I went to the third cafe. It was very beautiful with green plants. I looked through the window.
Did you see Sarah?
I saw a girl with brown hair. She wore a green coat. Sarah has brown hair and a green coat.
So it was Sarah.
I thought so. I ran inside the cafe. I was very happy.
Did you say hello?
Yes, I ran to her. I gave her a big hug. I said, I am so happy to hang out with you.
And was she happy?
No, she was very surprised. She looked at me. She was not Sarah.
She was a stranger.
Yes, she was a total stranger. I felt very silly. My face was red.
What did the stranger do?
She laughed. She was very nice. She said, I like hugs. Do you want to hang out anyway?
That is amazing. What did you say?
I did not know what to say. My face was like a hot tomato.
Did the stranger speak English?
Yes, she spoke very good English. She was from Canada. She was visiting our city.
Wow, that is a very lucky mistake. You met a nice person.
Yes, she was very friendly. She told me she did not know anyone in the city, so she wanted to hang out.
Did you give her your telephone number?
Yes, I did. We are friends now.
Did you hang out with her?
No. Just then, the real Sarah walked into the cafe.
What did Sarah say?
Sarah saw me hugging the stranger. She was very surprised too.
Wow, that is a wild story.
Yes, it was. But we all laughed and we sat together. We had a great time.
That is a wonderful way to hang out.
Yes, it was. Now, Ryan, tell me the surprise fact.
Right, here is the surprise fact. Hanging out with friends is good for your health.
Really? How is it good for your health?
Scientists did a study. They studied people who hang out with friends.
What did they find?
These people have lower stress. Their bodies make a happy chemical.
A happy chemical? That is cool.
Yes, and it helps you live longer.
How much longer?
People with good friends live 50% longer than people who are alone.
50%? That is a very big number.
Yes, it is. Hanging out is like exercise. It keeps your heart strong.
That is wonderful. We need to hang out more.
Yes, in history, many smart thinkers love to hang out.
Who, for example?
Long ago, Greek thinkers did not study alone. They hung out in the market.
Oh, they talked to people all day.
Yes, they walked and talked. That was how they learned.
That is very interesting. Hanging out is good for the brain and the body.
Yes, so do not stay at home alone.
It is better to hang out with friends. Let's talk about our other 5 phrases now, Ryan.
Good idea. The first phrase is meet up.
We know hang out is spending time together, but meet up means the action of meeting.
Yes, it means to meet a person at a place.
For example, we meet up at the library, or we meet up at the cinema.
Yes, I can say, let's meet up at 5 o'clock.
That is very clear. The next phrase is free time.
Free time is very easy. It is the time when you do not work or study.
Yes, it is your personal time. You can play games or read books.
What do you do in your free time, Mia?
In my free time, I like to paint and work in my garden.
That sounds very nice. In my free time, I like to play my guitar.
Nice! And we can use our next phrase to suggest a plan.
What is the phrase, Mia?
The phrase is, how about?
Ah, how about? We use it to make a suggestion.
Yes, for example, how about we play football?
Or how about we drink some tea?
Exactly. It is a very nice way to suggest an idea.
And if I like your suggestion, I can use our next phrase.
Yes, the phrase is, sounds good.
Sounds good means I agree. It means I think your plan is good.
For example, you say, let's eat pizza. And I say, sounds good.
Yes, I use sounds good every day.
It is a very natural response.
But sometimes we can't hang out because we are busy.
Yes, that brings us to our last phrase, busy with.
Busy with means you have a lot of work. You are doing something important.
For example, I am busy with my new project. I cannot play.
Or I am busy with cooking dinner.
Yes, it tells people why you cannot meet up.
Those are all great phrases.
Now, Ryan, let's talk about our habits. I have a question.
What is your question, Mia?
Where do you like to hang out?
I like to hang out in noisy places.
Really? Why do you like noisy places?
I like shopping malls and busy streets. I like the energy of the crowd. I like to hear music and see many people.
But Ryan, in a noisy mall, how can you hear your friends? You must shout.
Yes, we shout. It is fun. It is like being at a party. We laugh and we are very loud.
That sounds terrible. I want to talk quietly. I want to hear my friends' thoughts. In a mall, there is too much noise. You cannot have a real conversation.
Well, we do not talk about deep things at the mall. We just play video games and look at clothes. That is hanging out for us.
I see. We are indeed very different.
Where do you like to hang out, Mia?
I like to hang out in quiet parks or near a quiet river. I want to see the trees and flowers.
That sounds very boring to me. I need music and action. I want to play games.
You are in Team Ryan, and I am in Team Mia.
Yes, Team Ryan likes loud, busy places. Team Mia likes quiet, peaceful places.
Which team do our listeners like?
They can tell us. Now, let's play our guessing game.
Okay, I am ready. This is our oh moment.
I will ask you a question. What percentage of people hang out with friends every day?
Everyone is very busy with work, so the number must be low.
Give me a number, Mia.
Maybe 30%?
No, that is too high.
Okay, how about 15%?
Still too high. The real number is only 10%.
Only 10%? That is very sad.
Yes, it is. Most people do not hang out enough. They are too busy with work.
We must change that. We need to make time for friends.
I agree. Friends are important.
Now, Ryan, it is time for your test.
Oh, a test? I am ready. I will do my best.
I will give you 6 situations. You must use our phrases to answer.
Okay, let's do it.
Situation number 1. You have a long weekend. You do not want to stay at home alone. You want to see your friends. What do you say to them?
I will call my friend. I will say, do you want to hang out this weekend? We have a lot of free time. We should go to the city.
That is a great plan. What if your friend is busy with study?
Then I will ask another friend. Or I will study too. We must be good students.
Good. Situation number 2. You want to meet your friend at a certain cafe at 3 o'clock. What do you suggest?
I will suggest a place and time. I will say, how about we meet up at the Star Cafe at 3 o'clock? Is that a good time for you?
Yes, that is very natural. What if the cafe is closed?
Then I will say, how about we meet up at the park instead? The weather is warm.
Good. What if the park is busy?
Then I will say, how about we meet up at the library? It is quiet.
But you hate quiet places, Ryan.
Haha, you are right. I will say, how about we meet up at the shopping mall?
Perfect. Situation number 3. Your friend suggests going to the beach tomorrow. You love the beach. How do you respond?
I will be very happy. I will shout, that sounds good. I love the beach. Let's go together.
Excellent. I love the beach too. What if it rains tomorrow?
If it rains, I will say, going to the beach does not sound good now. How about we go to the cinema instead?
Very smart. Situation number 4. You have 3 big tests next week. Your friend asks you to go to the cinema. What do you tell them?
I will feel sad, but I must study. I will say, I cannot go to the cinema. I am busy with my studies. I must study all weekend.
That is a good answer. Studies are important. What if they ask you to study together?
Then I will say, that sounds good. Let's study together at the library.
Great idea. Studying together is very helpful. Situation number 5. You want to spend time with your friends, but you have no money. What is a good plan?
I will tell them, we do not need money to hang out. Let's meet up at the park. We can just sit on the grass and talk. That is free.
That is a very smart plan. The park is beautiful and free. What if the park is too cold?
Then I will say, let's hang out at my house. We can watch a free movie on TV. We can also drink some warm tea.
What if your friends want to go to an expensive restaurant?
I will say, I cannot go. I have no money. Let's meet up at my house. I will make my salty soup for you.
Oh no, please do not make that soup, Ryan. It is too salty. Your friends will leave.
Okay, I will buy some cheap biscuits instead.
Excellent. Situation number 6. You have no work this evening. You are very happy. What do you say?
I will be very excited. I will say, I have a lot of free time tonight. Let's hang out at my house. We can play video games.
You did a great job on the test, Ryan.
Thank you, Mia. These phrases are very useful.
Yes, you used hang out, meet up, and free time.
And also, how about, sounds good, and busy with?
They are very easy to learn, but they help you speak natural English.
Yes, they do. I will use them every day.
That is a great way to think about it. Well, Ryan, we are near the end of our show today.
Already? Time flies when we are having fun.
Yes, it does. But before we go, we must give our listeners a small task.
Yes, a daily task that they can do tomorrow.
Here is the task. Tomorrow, do not stay at home all day.
Yes, if you are busy with work, take a short break.
Call a friend. Ask them to hang out.
Even if it is only for 10 minutes, you can walk and talk.
And while you hang out, practice your English. You can use these 6 phrases.
For example, you can say, "Do you have free time? How about we meet up?"
That is a very nice idea. It is easy and it helps you learn.
Yes, it helps you clear your head and practice speaking.
We want to know if you did the task.
Yes, write a comment and tell us, did you hang out with a friend today?
Okay, that is all for today.
Thank you for listening. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.